Are you thinking about buying the Synoshi Pro Spin Scrubber? It's been making rounds online lately with those huge up to 85% off discounts and claims that it can make cleaning totally effortless. Sounds like a dream, right? A handheld, cordless, waterproof scrubber that saves you time, energy, and even protects your skin from harsh chemicals. That's what the ads promise. But before you rush to order, let's take a closer look at whether the Synoshi Pro is really worth it or just another overhyped gadget. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, Synoshi's marketing is very convincing. They say this little spin scrubber can slash your cleaning time in half, clean everything from bathroom tiles to car rims, and even save money on cleaning products since it doesn't require chemicals. It's cordless, rechargeable, and comes with multiple brush heads for different surfaces. All nice features on paper. And they keep pushing that huge discount, saying it's your last chance to grab it for 85% off. But this is where the story starts to get a little suspicious. For one, the Synoshi scrubber is sold on multiple websites that all look almost identical, which can be confusing for buyers. The official site is supposed to be Synoshi.com, but several copycat sites are also selling the same thing with the same marketing language and fake urgency timers. That's a common red flag in online retail scams. Cloning websites to grab quick sales before people realize what's happening. Another issue comes from customer experiences. Several buyers reported being overcharged or having extra items added to their order that they didn't agree to, like extra brush heads or accessories that were automatically included at checkout. Some also said canceling the order before shipping was nearly impossible. And when they tried to return the item, they were told they'd have to pay for expensive return shipping, sometimes all the way to Lithuania. That's a big problem if you're already unhappy with your purchase. There's also something strange with their website information. The domain for Synoshi.com was registered in 2023, which is fairly recent, but their privacy policy page lists a date of June 10, 2021, almost 2 years before the site was created. That kind of inconsistency makes the operation seem a bit less transparent. The marketing itself also leans heavily on urgency, limited time offers, flashing discounts, and countdown timers. These are classic sales tactics used to rush buyers into making quick decisions without reading the fine print. And while many people say the main scrubber does work, there are plenty of complaints about confusing add-ons, unclear pricing, and the product not performing quite as dramatically as advertised. Some reviews describe it as slightly better than a dish brush, rather than a miracle cleaning machine. Now let's be fair, not everything about Synoshi is bad. On Amazon, the Synoshi Pro actually has decent reviews, averaging around 4.2 stars. It's also present on social media, and there are many users who genuinely like how it handles light cleaning tasks. On Trustpilot, it has a rating around 4, which suggests that not everyone has a negative experience. These are positive signs that the core product itself probably isn't a total scam. So what's the bottom line? Synoshi Pro doesn't appear to be a complete scam. The product itself exists and seems to work for many people. However, the main issue lies in how it's marketed and sold on various websites. The aggressive sales tactics, confusing checkout process, and expensive return policies raise enough red flags to make you think twice. If you're really interested in trying it, it's much safer to buy from a reputable platform like Amazon, where you have better protection, verified reviews, and an easier return process. Avoid buying from random sites claiming huge discounts or official deals you've never heard of before. Because in the end, saving 85% isn't worth it if you end up losing your money or getting stuck with a product you can't return. Stay smart, always read reviews, and shop safely online.